It was the rainy season. The sky was cloudy and dark. It had been raining continuously that morning. Susie had gone to school and saw the rain through her classroom window. She loved the rain and found it really mesmerizing to watch. She loved the pitter patter sounds of the rain. After her classes had gotten over, she took out her umbrella from her bag. On her way back home, she would jump into the small puddles of muddy water. She loved playing with rainwater. Even though she had her umbrella, she still got herself wet. She had a lot of fun that day.